GET. GET is the most common HTTP method. It's used to retrieve data from a server. Nothing more, nothing less. When you open a website, your browser is sending a GET request behind the scenes. It's saying, "Hey server, send me that page." The server responds with the content, maybe HTML, JSON, or images. GET requests are read-only. They don't change anything on the server. That means you can refresh a GET request as many times as you want. It's safe, it's repeatable, and it's all about reading data. POST. POST is used to send data to the server, usually to create something new. For example, when you fill out a sign-up form and click Submit, your details are sent using POST. The server takes that data, creates a new user, and sends back a response, maybe account created successfully. Unlike GET, POST actually changes things. It's not idempotent, which means if you send the same post twice, you might create two records. POST is about creating new stuff. PUT. PUT is used to update or replace an existing resource completely. Think of it like replacing an entire file with a new version. If you send a PUT request to /user/1, you're saying, "Here's the full updated info for user 1. Replace whatever's there." If that resource doesn't exist, some servers might even create it. PUT is idempotent. Sending the same PUT multiple times gives the same result. No duplicates, no side effects, just consistent replacement. Patch. Patch is like PUT's smarter cousin. Instead of replacing everything, Patch only updates the parts you want to change. If you just want to update a user's email, but keep their name and age the same, you'd use Patch. It's efficient, it's focused, and it only touches what's necessary. So remember the difference. PUT replaces the whole thing. Patch tweaks just a part of it. Delete. Delete does exactly what it sounds like. It removes a resource from the server. Just like PUT, delete is idempotent. Deleting something twice doesn't cause errors. The resource just stays deleted. Delete requests are powerful, so they're usually protected. You don't want anyone deleting things by accident. Head works almost the same as GET, but it only fetches the headers, not the body. It's like asking the server, "Hey server, do you have this file and what's it like?" You get information like the file size, last modified date, or content type, but not the actual content. It's great for checking if something exists or verifying metadata without downloading the whole thing. Options. Options is like asking the server, "What can I do here?" It returns a list of the allowed HTTP methods for a given endpoint, like GET, POST, delete. Browsers also use options requests automatically when dealing with cross-origin requests. That's the core stuff you might have seen in errors. It's how browsers check, am I allowed to talk to this server before I actually send the data? So options is all about discovery and permissions.